Hello and welcome back. I'm CA Megha Kotecha, Certified Zoho Books Professional and Certified Zoho Books Trainer. It's been a while since our last episode. I wasn't keeping well for a few weeks, but let's resume our series now. So, welcome to episode 5 of our series on internal controls using Zoho Books. So, to start with, let's imagine you have finalized your books for the last month, your GST returns are already filed, and everything looks perfect. Few days later, you notice one of the invoice from the same month looks different. Maybe an amount was changed or a new entry was added. Maybe unintentionally and not knowingly. But that small change can make your reports, compliance, and filing all go out of sync. That's where transaction locking in Zoho Books comes into picture. Transaction locking in Zoho Books allows you to lock finalized audited periods, preventing any edits, additions, or deletions to the past transactions, ensuring your reported data stays consistent and tamper-free.
On the left side panel, under the Accounting module, you can see Transaction Locking. Here, you have two choices. You can either lock transactions module-wise, like sales, purchases, banking, or accountant, or lock all transactions at once by clicking Switch to Lock All Transactions. Let's look how to lock a single module. Click Lock Individual Modules below and you'll return to the main screen. Now, let's lock the Sales module. Click on the Lock button. Enter the date before which you want to lock transactions. Say 31st October. Mention the reason. Let's enter internal audit and lock the transaction. Now, when I go to the sales module and try to edit the invoice which is created before 31st October, say I'll make changes to the quantity and save this. We have to enter the reason why we are making the changes. And once we click on save, there will be an error. Transaction before 31st October have been locked, hence action cannot be performed. This ensures no changes are made to the data that has already been finalized. Now, coming back to the transaction locking, you can also unlock the transactions. Either you can do it unlock partially or you can unlock completely. If you click unlock partially, you can select the date range and you can select the reason and unlock the transactions. Say if you want to unlock completely, reason, audit, completed, and we will unlock the transactions. In the same way, you can apply this locks or unlocks across other modules or simply lock everything at once for complete control.
It prevents unauthorized changes. Once the period is locked, no user can edit, delete, or add transactions, which protects finalized financial data. It ensures reporting accuracy, as the locked periods ensures that figures used for GST returns, financial statements, or audits remain consistent and untempered. It supports segregation of duties, as the teams can enter the data during the month time, but only authorized personnel can lock or unlock periods, adding a layer of control. It protects against the backdated adjustments, as it can stop accidental or intentional backdated entries that can distort balances, compliance figures, and month-end reports. It maintains data integrity, as it prevents accidental or incorrect modifications. It strengthens compliance, as it ensures that numbers reported are exactly matching with the logged data. It improves audit readiness, as the auditors can trust that past transactions haven't been altered. It enhances control and visibility, as it gives management the confidence that there are no unauthorized changes being made. It supports smooth period closure, as once the 1 month is closed, no changes can be made to that. Transaction locking in Zoho Books is like freezing your closed books. It's quick to set up and brings huge peace of mind. Especially during audits or returns, this simple control saves a lot of back and forth. So, stay tuned for the next episode where we bring in another powerful feature. To stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update.